Well, thank you, everybody. My name is Jordan Winkelman. I'm the Field Solutions CTO at Quantum, and today we're here to discuss a little bit about Quantum as a company, and then diving into our brand new product, Myriad. A little bit about Quantum. We're a now 44-year-old storage company that has been in the storage world, ranging from hard drives to tape drives to high performance scale-out file systems. Today, we deliver end-to-end solutions for AI and unstructured data, media and entertainment, so on and so forth. We help our customers analyze and enrich the content that they create for the world of media and entertainment. We help our customers store and manage all that data, whether it would be something in a hyperscale data center, whether it be a small backup device in a customer's server room. We have over 10,000 customers globally, 52% of the Fortune 100, and we've got over 84 exabytes of data that we have helped customers store and protect today. Our customers include, in various different silos of vertical markets, some of the world's largest broadcasters, the largest media companies, and the most recognized brands. While we seem to have failed to put the NBA teams on there, we're about half of the sports video out there in the stadiums and the leagues at this point, including all of Ultimate Fighting Championship. In the world of video surveillance, we actually have some very large environments with our hyperconverged product that we acquired from Pivot3 that support 4 of the largest US public transit systems, 6 of the 10 top hotels and casinos and resort companies globally, 10 of the world's highest volume airports, and hundreds of universities, for protecting the safety of the students, of the faculty, so on and so forth. And then when it comes to large-scale archive, we are basically in all of the largest hyperscale public cloud vendors out there in the market today. There's a very good chance, if it's called deep or cold storage in the public cloud, that it's living inside quantum tape libraries. We are in 6 of the top 10 largest financial institutions, and the bulk majority of the US intelligence agencies, as well as others throughout the world, and 14 of the 17 national labs here in the United States. We're seeing a very big shift in the role of data today. The world is created on data, whether it would be something that's generated as part of a manufacturing process, or video surveillance data, which is basically 90% of all data that's being captured at this point. We're working with our various toolkits like CatDV to make AI technologies that can make meaningful insights and business value added to media content, for example. The AI models that we work with are built to help give companies a unique competitive advantage. And the data that our customers are creating is their business, ultimately. If it's a media business and they're creating TV shows or movies, or it's a sporting event, they're capturing all that content, and that is their business. We're helping our customers take AI technologies to help unlock the value in that content they create, whether it's inferencing things like facial recognition or object detection or logo detection when a team is trying to gather ad revenue from anything that's seen even outside of the field of the actual stadium event. Might just be somebody wearing a Pepsi logo in the crowd. These AI models help build the company's unique data to give them a competitive advantage, understand what's in that content, understand what their business is, and using AI to allow for enriching of that data makes it a lot easier for our media customers to actually be able to create the content that we watch on TV or in the theaters every day. So Quantum works in, as I mentioned, a variety of different vertical markets, whether it be video surveillance, physical security, media and entertainment is a very large market for Quantum, as well as healthcare, medical imaging, and we're really making a big step into the world of AI, machine learning, and data analytics. And obviously, we've been in tape backup and variable block data deduplication for quite a long time, so we're a very big player in backup and recovery as well. Now, this slide is really to talk about the investment in acquisitions and new technologies that we've developed over the last 5 years. Many people think of Quantum purely as the tape company or the old hard drive company, and some people think about us as the media and entertainment storage company. But a lot has changed over the last 5 years. Going back to 2020, we acquired the ActiveScale division from Western Digital. We'd actually been utilizing and selling that product for about 10 years at that point, all the way back to when we rebranded or OEM'd Amplidata's product and called it Lattice. I basically call it the product coming home because we ended up actually selling more of that product via Quantum than any of the other vendors or channel partners did anyways. Late in 2020, as I mentioned, we are the #1 player in hyperscale tape archives, and so we are a good chunk of the public cloud. In 2021, we acquired a small company in England called Squarebox Software, and Squarebox were the creators of the CatDV media asset management system. And we make use of that tool to help our customers organize and create the media content that you see, whether it's on TV or in the theaters. Later on in 2021, we acquired the hyperconverged storage vendor called Pivot3, and that added to our overall portfolio of video surveillance solutions. Early on in 2020, we actually took the ActiveScale object store and we merged in our scalar tape products and made the first on-premise private cloud using the S3 Glacier protocol, giving our customers the ability to work with the hyperscale archives in the same manner that they would with the public cloud, and be able to use it as a drop-in replacement for, Amazon Glacier in this particular instance. Later on in 2022, we went ahead and merged some technologies from NVIDIA in with our CatDV media asset management system. And much as I was mentioning on a previous slide, we've started doing AI inferencing on that media content to, whether it's looking for an athlete's face in a piece of video, or looking to go to an exact frame when a speaker says a particular word. We're able to transcribe the data, we're able to enrich the data, we're able to then assign that metadata to make that searchable, because as we know, searching for content in video is not exactly the easiest thing to do. And our AI enrichment tools have made that much simpler for our customers to find and understand the content they have, just due to the difficulty of searching through video. What we're really here to talk about today is our brand new all-flash file and object storage platform called Myriad. And that we released late last year, and are very excited to talk about it today. So, as I mentioned, we're an end-to-end storage company. We have a portfolio that allows us to participate pretty much in any different type of workflow that a customer may have for their storage needs. On the top, we're in our what we call our hamburger slide. We have our CatDV media asset management software, which we use to, as I mentioned, orchestrate, index, catalog, and apply content metadata for our media focused customers. Now, while it is focused on media workloads, it's ostensibly a database that we can use to apply metadata to whatever type of content or files that a customer may have, and be able to understand what's in them, even if it isn't a piece of media file. Here in the middle of our hamburger slide, we actually talk about the various portfolio components without actually naming them as products. Trying to relay where they fit into a customer's potential workload, and also highlight which are the more performant ones on the left with the red side, and the colder, slower, but more cost-effective technologies further to the right. Starting at the left, we have our brand new all-flash file and object storage platform called Myriad. That is, it's an object store that presents as a NAS today. Moving to the right, we also have our high-speed file storage platform, which is heavily used in media and entertainment, as well as large-scale archives, and that's our StoreNext file system. We have two different HCI platforms, one that is the Pivot 3 platform that uses VMware for a hypervisor. But alternatively, we have our unified surveillance platform that makes use of OpenStack as the hypervisor, but both share the same underlying software-defined storage layer for the hyperconverged compute. We also have the massively scalable object storage platform called ActiveScale. And by massively scalable, there's no limits to the number of objects, the capacity, the performance. The system scales linearly every time you scale the system up. We have our efficient backup and data protection product called DXI. It actually was the original variable block data deduplication appliance. And then finally, we have our low-cost secure tape storage, scalar tape. We've been in the tape backup business for decades at this point. Underneath everything, we have a variety of monitoring and AI operations software tools like our cloud-based analytics engine that our various tools will report telemetry data back up to Quantum as an opt-in service. So the customer can look at analytics from a cloud repository. It can assist Quantum in being able to support end customers by being able to capture logs if we're given that privilege. So we have the ability to integrate all of these various different components in the large end-to-end workflows so that a customer can come to one company and get the best end user experience around those products.